And with today's recipe, we don't just want to make a standard nut milk, we want to chef it up a little bit, so I'm going to make a vegetable flavoured nut milk. Let me show you what we're going to be doing. Okay, so have a look at the ingredients for this one. This is a recipe from my Juice Chef book. This one's called Nature's Milk. I have a whole range of flavoured nut milks. We've got the almonds here. So the almonds, like making any nut milk, you soak the nuts overnight in water. The next day disregard that water and then we can use the nuts to make a milk. We've got some water here, some fresh water. And then I've got some, look at these dates, some medjool dates. Make sure you take the pip out. You don't want the pip going through the press. And then I'm going to do some sweet potato, carrot and ginger, a little bit of salt and a little bit of vanilla essence to make this nut milk flavour a little bit different. So now I'll grab the strainer, turn the juicer on. Before we get started with your sweet potato, you can juice it, of course. You do get juice from a sweet potato. You can leave the skin on, you don't need to peel it. I want about a half a sweet potato in this one, so I'm just going to slice that down. Now, of course, we can't just put a big, it's a hard, solid vegetable to go through the juice machine. We want to cut it up into some pieces. So we're just going to do a bit of prep here. And usually something down the middle and then some slices. That can just go straight through the juicer like that one. With your carrots, even though it's wide enough and you could drop a whole carrot in, a carrot has a really strong core in the middle of it. So what you want to do is just cut your carrot. These are quite small carrots. Cut it in half and see how it releases the core. Once the core is released, you can put in and it will press really simple. So I might put a couple of carrots in. All right, now ginger. Again, ginger. We could put that straight in like that, but it's not going to press really well and give us the flavour that we want. So with a cold press juicer, with the Kuvings juicer, we just want a couple of slices. And really, because it extracts so much flavour and nutrition when it's pressing through, you don't need to use a lot. I usually say the width of the thumb is a good indication of how wide your ginger should be, because the exit hole for the pulp to come out is about the width of your thumb. And ginger is really woody, really fibrous, really stringy. So in order to get it to move through the juicer really easy, cut it about the width of your thumb and it'll juice perfectly. Got some vanilla essence here and I've got some salt, and I'll show you how we're going to put all those ingredients through the juicer. All right, let's make the nut milk first, shall we? So I'll turn the juicer on. When you're making nut milk, pop some nuts in, get it going, and then pour a little bit of water down. And that's all you need to do to make any nut milk. Just alternate nuts and water. Now, if you're like me and you like a little bit of sweetness in your nut milk, you can put some dates in, the pitted medjool dates. They'll add a nice little sweetness. And for this recipe, a little bit of vanilla essence. I'm going to just scoop that and use the date to add it into the juicer. I'll just scoop that and pop it through. A few more nuts. And I'm sure you can see here, look, I've already collected, I've got a couple of 100 mils there. Now, when you're making a nut milk at home, you have complete control over the ratio. So if you want 2 to 1, I usually recommend a cup of nuts to 2 cups of water. But if you want it a little bit thicker, do a 1 to 1. If you want it a little bit thinner, then do a 3 to 1. Because I'm going to add some juice from the vegetables in here, I'm just doing a 1 to 1 there. Let's release that. Okay, so that's our nut milk. So now let's add the vegetables. Some sweet potato, pop that straight in. And you'll see here, see all the almond meal that's coming out of the juicer? So we could keep that almond meal and make some cookies or some biscuits, be creative in the kitchen and use that up. All right, a little bit of ginger. I'm going to just pop that straight in like that. And as I've said before, take your time when you're squeezing and pressing. It's a slow, cold press juicer. We don't have metal blades in there ripping apart and tearing up the ingredients. And there's a reason why we don't want the metal blades, because they end up oxidizing the nutrients that we're wanting to extract from the fruits and vegetables. So just take your time. You'll see, have a look at now the milk starting to change colour. So we're getting the orange beta carotene coming through from the carrot and the sweet potato. All those amazing phytonutrients which are going to make this nut milk super healthy. I said to you at the start that this is the professional. It's one part of the professional range of the cold press juices. Coothings has a domestic cold press juices, the entry level. Then we step up to the professional level of cold press juices. And then there's the next level up, which is the E-series cold press juices that have a self-feeding mechanism. And then we go up even higher again into the commercial range of juices. If you've got a commercial kitchen, or you're running a cafe or a juice bar, or maybe if you're someone at home who makes a lot of juice, has a big family, you might want to look at commercial quality juices. All right, let me get something to put this in. So now we've got a nut milk flavoured with vegetables. This is going to be super healthy, dairy-free, and really good for you. Let's have a look. Perfect. Now I think this recipe, it just needs a little bit of salt just to balance out the flavour, because we would put salt on our potato, wouldn't we? So a little bit of salt in there, and I think we'll just mix that up. That'll make it perfect. Let's do the taste test. If you've never tried veggies in your milks, nut milks before, I highly recommend it. You give it a go. It adds an earthy sweetness to it. I really like it, and I know you will too.